Hi, today I want to show you how I will clean my plastic flowers for next decoration. For cleaning up these filthy flowers I will need this bag, but paper bag it's better, salt, baking powder and hot water. This is all. And I have clean plastic flowers and I can make next flowers decoration. See you next time. Bye!